guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle and everyday living. So if you guys haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter. So as you can tell by the title of this video, it's gonna be a natural hair video. Girl, I haven't done a natural video or natural hair video in a minute as well. I can't remember the last natural hair video I did, which probably means it was a while. So today I have decided to do a video showing you guys my current hair length, and I'll leave an iCard above of my natural hair videos so you guys can click through and check some of those old ones out. My hair was a lot longer several years ago. I had it cut maybe like 2 years ago, and then I feel like I just fall off every once in a while, and I don't get my hair trimmed like I should. So we're gonna do better in 2021, okay?
We're gonna do better in 2021. You hear me, self?
Okay. Just had to talk to myself for a second there. Sorry guys. All right, so previously my hair is probably like right here is probably the longest it's been. So I'm just gonna try to get it back to there or longer if possible. I will show you guys the length that my mom trimmed it for me. She's not a professional, so I will definitely go get it professionally trimmed sometime or multiple times, obviously within 2021. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys my starting point. I did revisit the Zello straightening hair treatment. I feel like I will not go back to using any other products. To me, that's my favorite. I do like the Design Essentials as well. I'll leave an iCard above of that one. But I really love the results that I get from Zello. So once I get these ends trimmed for real, I feel like my hair will flourish. I don't plan on being a straight natural, meaning I don't plan on straightening my hair a lot just because I'm like, I don't know, it's just a lot easier to just twist my hair up and go on about my business, okay? Versus like blow drying it out. Just, it's a preference thing for me, just time wise. But other than that, I don't mind straightening my hair. I think it looks pretty. I think it looks pretty. It looks really dark, which is, I'm surprised how dark it looks on camera, whatever. But in sunlight, it looks more brown. But I'll just show you guys quickly here, but more so pay attention to in the video how it looks, because this is several days old. But this is kind of what my hair is working with right now. I did kind of haphazardly chop it after my mom did it, just to kind of, I saw some split ends, so I cut some off of it. But like I said, this is just a starting point video, and I will do length checks throughout 2021. But I just want to let you guys know kind of what's going on, what's up with my natural hair. I don't plan on doing that many product reviews. I say that right now. I don't plan on doing many product reviews because I found as though when I was trying all these different products, it just was not working for my hair. So I found what works best for me is to find something and have like 2 different products to go back and forth from, so my hair doesn't get kind of used to it, but also so I'm not trying different products all through, you know, the year. I found like that breaks my hair off as well. Also, one other thing, I'm doing more finger detangling than actually using my detangling brush, which I loved it, but I felt like it was ripping my ends, so I don't really use that as much anymore. And I've noticed a drastic change in my ends within like, I don't know, I would say a month. I could tell the difference. And one other final tip, girl, I have gone back to my hot oil treatments, baby girl, and I feel like my hair this has been like, where has this hot oil treatment been? So I will do a video on that as well in the coming weeks. But I just want to give you guys a heads up of what's to come for 2021 as far as my hair. I definitely want to, healthy hair is the #1 priority, and then #2 is to retain length. So we'll be doing protective style challenges. I have a protective style coming up, but yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that chat video. I hope it wasn't too much talking, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.